which is not the home screen, but once you first open the application, will ask you to select your country. This is very important. So based on a country, it will give you update on it relates to Premier Leagues and leagues or football leagues basically. So I'm in Jamaica, so I'm going to select the Jamaica option here. And as you can see here, you have some other teams which you can follow up with as well. Let's say Arsenal or Manchester City is your favorite team. Whatever the team is your favorite, all you have to do is tap on the team that's your favorite and you're pretty much good to go. Or you can even skip this option. But you have some other information, let's say your favorite competitors and so forth. But I'm just going to skip all of these and pretty much go for the leagues. So as you can see here, today's leagues, and it pretty much contains every league that's been played. As you can see here, not just Jamaica League, other leagues that's been played as well. And as you can see here, you have these matches that have been played yesterday and the day before yesterday, and it goes way back up until the 9th of January. So I think that's pretty much as it relates to that. And you can as well see matches that are being played right now. So you can tap on the live option here at the top and you'll be able to see matches that are playing right now. As well, you can pretty much tap on, let's say this match here, you want to see what's going on as it relates to the match, but you won't see like any actual people running on the pitch or anything like that. So here you'll be able to see analytics as it relates to the match. So it's live right now, this match is going on, analytics. You can see who has the most ball positions and so forth, and also who pretty much starts, how much they're in their league, in their country, as you can see here, and the matches that they have played so far and so forth for their league. So that's really pretty much it, nothing much for that. And you can also see the matches that will be played tomorrow. You can tap on the tomorrow option here, and you can see pretty much matches that will be played tomorrow. So in your favorite section, which is pretty much the teams that you have added in your favorite section, and you will get pretty much updates, specific updates as it relates to them. As you can see your Jamaica matches, you can tap on the option or long press it, pretty much enable the app to pretty much notify you of all their matches, reminder when match starts, match reminder, goals if goals have scored, and also pretty much all events. It will just enable everything here. And down here as well, you can see all the news as it relates to Jamaica and so forth. So that's pretty much it. You have the explore option, which explores pretty much all countries, teams, matches, and pretty much everything around the world. You can tap on, let's say you want to check out Argentina League. Here you'll be able to see all the teams, the cups, and pretty much everything as it relates to their league. And as well, you have the transfer season. So they do give you a update on to players which transfer to other teams. Here you can see this player has been transferred to that team, that player has been transferred to that team, and so forth. So it just gives you update as it relates to players being transferred to teams. And as well, they do have the new section here as it relates to the football. At the top here, you'll be able to navigate to transfer information, see the latest information, most read, pretty much the trended information here, and as well my news section here as it relates to that as well.